Like waves we soar so high beneath the moonlight. The soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fade.
Welcome to another video. At this point, my wig is begging for a straightener, and I have a straightener, but I don't know why I haven't been using it. I'm using my daughter's. She got this for, I think, her birthday, or maybe was it Christmas? Look at how pretty. Like, this is what dreams are made of. Dreams are made of when you're like 5, or you're like 8, you're like 10. I actually decided that I'm probably going to batch film a lot this weekend because I just received my new schedule for the next I don't know how to say it, at least for the next month. So that means I am less and less available, actually, and so I'm excited I got my schedule, because that had me in a little bit of a funk. I was like, what is going on? I need to know where my life is going at this point. So I'll probably batch film the entire weekend so that you guys have videos to watch from Monday to Friday. My daughter just walked in. What's going on? I'm back. I went for my appointment. I remember that I was saying, oh, you know, the weather is actually, I think when you were trying out the beauty blender and stuff, I was saying, oh, the weather's actually not that bad. It is that bad. That's the thing. I don't know how they build these houses, or they built these houses. When you're inside, you do not feel the intensity of the weather, but when you're outside, it's a whole different scenario. So yeah, it was really cold outside. So I've been trying this technique because, you know, I have like products to lock my lace, but not to lock my lace. Okay, lock works, but like to lay the lace down, I have products for that. But then I've never really kept an install for more than 24 hours. I cannot sleep with an install, and maybe it's because I am the only person that has only installed my hair. So maybe if someone else does an install for me, I'm not gonna feel like that, and I'll probably keep it longer. So for that reason, I've been trying to find ways to still wear my wig and just add a headband to it. So I found these headbands which are the quality is so stretchy. I don't get like a headache. They're not too tight. So I find that just throwing in a headband on top of my wig just gives like a quick, you know, I don't have to worry about my lace. Like, is my lace, is it really showing? Is it not showing? Do I need to lay my lace down? Because I also don't have like that band to lay the lace that comes with the wig. I didn't receive one when I bought this wig, so I actually ordered that from Shein, and that stuff should be shipped by now. It should be on its way, and we'll talk about that when that's like closer to arrival. So having said that, the headband has been working and it's been helping. So this is a tip that I'm just sharing. If you want to just look cute, do your edges. I didn't do mine. Do your edges, put on your wig. Find headbands that won't give you a headache, that are very lightweight, but at the same time with that stretchy material. Those would be really good for you. So yeah, I find that that's been really helpful it's not aesthetic, it's not gonna look so stunning and so cute or like what we see on social media, but it's doable. You know, you get out of the house and you don't look too bad, you don't look too shabby, you look a little bit cute. So you can see, like, I can't really get this part down. I'm just still trying to figure out which hair to keep out, which one to let bring to the front. So yeah, anyway, enough about my hair. Like I mentioned, I'm in my daughter's room, so I have the clothes all over here. So I just wanted to ask you guys, like, if you're a mom, even if you're not a mother, how do you organize your closets? Because there are so many ways to go about it. I find that I prefer to do like the shorts one pile, you know, the trousers, the sweaters, the short sleeves, so it depends, whatever item of clothing it is, I just like align them in like one pile each, so that if my daughter is trying to reach for a set of pants, she knows like the pants are on one pile, so she can pick whatever color she wants. And then if she needs like a top, she knows like this pile, I'll definitely get a top, and then she can pick whatever she wants. And when it comes to pajamas and sleepwear, I've actually decided to put that in a whole different closet, because closet space, my kids do have a lot of clothes, and so I have another closet for the pajamas. Not that closet is filled with pajamas only. It does have bed linen in it as well, but then just to separate and to make it easier and to know like where things are. When I was growing up, I moved a lot in a lot of, sorry, I got cut off. So yeah, it just really took me a while to know where things are, and every time I'd move, then I'd shift and get into a new place, and then I have to learn where to pack certain things. And so I find that that's been kind of like a struggle within my home, but I have found my feet. I have found like a process. I found my own style and my own way of, okay, I will pack this over there, and if I go back there, I will still find my items over there, or my clothing, or anything that I would pack away. So yeah, I don't know, how do you guys do it? Do you organize by color? Do you organize by the item of the clothing, by size? How do you go about it? And when your closet is full, like, where do you put the extra clothes? Do you put them in suitcases? So you guys can let me know like how you go about that, because I do have like a big pile of just like stuff that I've really packed away, that I will be moving out of my home, just because I don't want to hoard a lot of items and a lot of things, and I just feel like I think better in a clean and clear space. So yeah, maybe you guys can let me know some, you know, tips and how you kind of navigate the extra clothes or the extra shoes, like where do you put them? And for items that the kids were wearing, like the winter clothing that are too small, I'm going to be clearing that out once spring has really come into play, or into, you know, existence, because right now it's very confusing whether we're in spring or not. So once it's like really present, you know, like mid-April and stuff, I will definitely select like the smaller. I know my daughter, my youngest, has like these little winter boots that are too small, and rain boots that are becoming, it's not even a size. I got a new one. So just like, you know, moving things around the home and not really hoarding stuff, but at the same time just keeping enough and keeping what we need. And here in Canada, like, once when you give away, you take these items to thrift stores. I don't know how else everybody else disposes or puts away things that they no longer need, but if it goes to a thrift store, someone else is going to repurpose it, someone else is going to buy it, and it just works better for everybody, because sometimes you can't afford to buy something. And I've been in that place where I can't get a set of boots, but then I go to the thrift store and I get it at half the price or even lower than that, and it's been really helpful. So yeah, it's just like finding ways really to repurpose the things that we have in excess. I feel like there is a way to kind of go about it, yeah, I don't know, it's just something that I think about sometimes, like, how can I do better, and how can I do better for my family, how can I do better within a community or in a society. Like, if I decided one day to start something to help, you know, repurpose certain things that we have and give other people, or, you know, if it's going up for sale, to have it at a really low price, so that everybody just gets a chance, and we don't always have to necessarily buy something brand new. But also at the same time, depending with where you come from, your culture and everything, hand-me-downs are treated differently, handled differently in terms of beliefs and culture. So it's all up to you, really. I mean, personally for me, I do not have a problem with thrift stores. I think thrift stores are one of the best things, especially when you're on a tight budget, especially when you're just like interested in thrifted clothes. Really, the uniqueness that comes with thrifted clothes, the affordability, and so much more. It just makes life a little bit easier, because that's what we are looking for ultimately. Sometimes, we just want to make our lives a little bit easier, and once we get that, it just makes living a lot more, it just makes it a lot more wholesome. So yeah, I'm gonna pack the clothes. I'm gonna pack the kids' clothes. They're right here. So I'll get started. Their closet is over there, so I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for coming to my little chat. And if you have anything you want to share or add to the conversation, that would be really nice. I want to know from you guys, like, how do you just like work with hand-me-downs, and like if you have a lot more than you need, and if you're not like close to your family members, because that's another way. If you're not close to family, or if you don't know anyone who's in need but someone is in need, like how do you then put away items, or how do you repurpose items, and that could be from kitchenware all the way to clothing, and the list goes on. So yeah, that's what I wanted to chat with you guys about. Let me get going. Gotta pack their closet, and I'll chat with you guys in my next video. Bye.